Hello guys! Today we'd like to talk about the Japanese folding knives, Higonokami. Here we have some knives which we mainly stock for our customers. So firstly we'd like to introduce you the Zenko full steel type. So this one is the blade itself is forged with high carbon steel, and the size of the blade comes with small, medium, large, 3 different sizes. And the grip comes with black and another silver version. And the second one is hon warikomi. Warikomi means laminated in Japanese. And the core edge of the blade is high carbon steel. It's laminated with relatively soft carbon steel. And grip comes with black and silver type. And also the size are 3 small, medium, and large sizes. And third one is the most standard type of Higonokami. The blade itself is laminated with blue paper cutter steel, and grip is made of brass. Also, the size of the knives comes with small, medium, and large, 3 different sizes. And this one is a special version because the logo of the blade is the name of the chief artisan who made the knives. And the next one is the Shirogami Warikomi type Kengata. Ken means the sword, katana in Japanese. You can see the shape of the blade. It looks like katana. And the blade is laminated with white paper steel. And the grip comes with brass and also black 2 types. And the next one is the Hisei. Hisei means jade in Japanese. The blade itself it's a blue paper cutter steel laminated, and the grip is painted with a jade color. And next one is Hikari or Kagayaki. The blade is same with the Hisei. It's a blue paper cutter steel laminated, and the grip is brass. It's hammered. You can see it's very shiny. And the next one is a stainless type. It's very famous and very popular in these days. Both the blade and the grips are forged with stainless steel. Blade is forged with VG10. VG10 is very famous cutter steel in Japan, also globally. And the grip itself is made of stainless too. It's very strong from corrosion. Next one is all black. You can see the blade and grip are black. And the blade itself is blue paper cutter steel laminated. And the grip is black painted. And next one is kabazaik. The blade is white paper steel laminated, and the core of the grip is brass, and it's pasted with cherry blossom tree bark. And the last series is Uti series. The Uti series, the blade itself is forged with VG10 stainless steel, and the grip is stabilized wood, so it's very tough and strong. And this series comes with red, brown, and blue, 3 different types. This is all for today. Thank you.